What's up guys, I'm Landon with LMR.com. In this video, I'll be explaining the simple steps of how you remove the instrument cluster from your 1994 to 2004 Mustang. To get started, disconnect the negative battery cable. From inside of the vehicle, loosen and remove the two 7mm screws from the underside of the instrument cluster bezel. Pull out on the headlight knob and rotate it until you have easy access to the small rectangular opening. Use a small pick and pull the release tab away from the shaft to remove the headlight knob. Gently pull the instrument cluster bezel towards you to release the clips. Pass it over the steering wheel and set it aside. Locate the 4 T20 Torx screws, securing the cluster to the dash. Loosen and remove the screws. A magnetic tip screwdriver helps when removing these screws. Bring the cluster towards you and tilt it backwards. Depress the small tab on the left-hand electrical connection and remove it from the back of the cluster. Do the same for the other connection. Pass the cluster over the steering wheel and then you're done. Of course, simply reverse the removal steps to get everything reinstalled. To see more informative videos like this one without all of the extra hoopla, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release new content. While you're at it, feel free to check out our other videos. And for all things SN95 and New Edge Mustang, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.